Is your facility in need of clear and organized interior line painting? Topline Pavement Services specializes in providing professional interior line painting solutions for warehouses, factories, and commercial spaces. Whether you need safety markings, traffic flow indicators, or designated work zones, we've got the expertise to ensure your facility is marked with precision and durability. With our services, you'll enhance safety, efficiency, and organization, making it easier for your employees to navigate and work within your space. At Topline Pavement Services, we understand that interior line painting is crucial for safety and productivity. That's why we use only the best materials and advanced techniques to deliver long-lasting results. From OSHA-compliant safety markings to custom layouts that fit your specific needs, we handle it all. Our team works efficiently to minimize disruption to your operations, scheduling around your business hours to ensure a smooth, seamless process. A well-marked facility improves not only safety but also workflow, helping to reduce accidents and increase productivity. Let Topline Pavement Services bring clarity and order to your workspace with our expert interior line painting services. Contact us today to discuss your project and see how we can help create a safer, more efficient environment for your business.